Welcome everyone. Today I am going to tell you the best ways to learning English through movie to improve your speaking, listening, writing. Let's start it. How to learn English through movies. Learning English through movies is an enjoyable and effective way to enhance your language skills. Movies offer real-life conversations, natural pronunciation, and cultural insights that traditional language learning methods often lack. If used correctly, movies can help improve your listening, speaking, vocabulary, pronunciation, and even grammar. This guide provides a detailed, step-by-step approach to learning English through movies, along with tips, techniques, and recommendations. Why learn English through movies? Movies are a rich resource for language learners. Here's why they are beneficial. Number 1, real-life conversations. Unlike textbooks, movies present natural dialogues used by native speakers. Number 2, listening practice. You become familiar with different accents, speech speeds, and intonations. Number 3, vocabulary building. Movies introduce new words and expressions in context. Number 4, cultural understanding. Films help you understand English-speaking cultures, slang, and idioms. Number 5, pronunciation improvement. You hear how words are spoken naturally, helping you improve your pronunciation. Number 6, engaging and fun. Learning through movies is entertaining, which keeps you motivated. Step-by-step guide to learning English through movies. Follow these steps to maximize learning from movies. Step 1. Choose the right movie. Selecting the right movie is crucial. Here's how to choose. Pick a movie that interests you. You'll stay engaged if you enjoy the film. Choose a movie with clear dialogue. Avoid films with heavy action or complex scientific terminology. Start with familiar movies, watching a movie you've seen before in your native language helps you understand the plot. Select movies with subtitles. This helps with understanding pronunciation and meaning. Recommended movies for beginners. The Lion King, 1994. Simple dialogues and clear pronunciation. Finding Nemo, 2003. Easy to understand conversations and fun storytelling. Toy Story, 1995. Basic vocabulary and engaging characters. Forrest Gump, 1994. Slow and clear speech. Recommended movies for intermediate learners. The Devil Wears Prada, 2006. Conversational English and workplace vocabulary. The Pursuit of Happiness, 2006. Emotional storytelling with real-life conversations. Notting Hill, 1999. British and American English exposure. Recommended movies for advanced learners. The King's Speech, 2010. Focus on pronunciation and public speaking. The Social Network, 2010. Fast-paced dialogues and business vocabulary. Inception 2010. Complex storytelling and philosophical conversations. Step 2. Watch with subtitles. Using subtitles effectively can boost your understanding. Number 1. First watch. English audio plus native language subtitle helps you understand the story. Number 2. Second watch. English audio plus English subtitles. Focus on new words and sentence structures. Number 3. Third watch. English audio, no subtitles, improves listening skills and comprehension. Step 3. Take notes. While watching, write down new words and their meanings, common phrases and idioms, pronunciation patterns. Example: word, incredible, meaning, amazing, unbelievable. Phrase: break a leg. Meaning: good luck. Step 4. Repeat and shadowing technique. The shadowing technique involves repeating sentences immediately after hearing them to improve pronunciation and fluency. How to do it? Number 1. Pause after a sentence. Number 2. Repeat the sentence aloud, mimicking the pronunciation and tone. Number 3. Record yourself and compare it with the original. Example: movie line: I'll be back, from The Terminator. You repeat, I'll be back, matching the tone and pronunciation. Step 5. Act out scenes to improve speaking skills. Choose a scene and act it out. Number 1. Select a dialogue-heavy scene. Number 2. Mimic the character's speech and gestures. Number 3. Record yourself for self-evaluation. This helps with confidence, pronunciation, and intonation. Step 6. Focus on specific skills. Movies can help improve different language skills. Number 1. Listening skills. Pay attention to how native speakers emphasize certain words. Observe how emotions affect tone. Replay difficult parts and try to understand them. Number 2. Speaking skills. Practice dialogues with a language partner. Try to match the actor's pronunciation and tone. Number 3. Vocabulary expansion. Keep a vocabulary journal. Learn 5 to 10 new words from each movie. Number 4. Pronunciation. Listen carefully to how words are pronounced. Use apps like Forvo or Google Pronounce to check pronunciation. Number 5. Grammar. Understanding. Analyze sentence structures. Identify verb tenses and grammatical patterns. Example from Harry Potter. Sentence: I have been waiting for this moment for a long time. Grammar: present perfect continuous tense. Step 7. Watch different genres. Each movie genre teaches different aspects of English. Romantic comedies, conversational English and expressions, action movies, commands and casual talk, drama, emotional and deep conversations, sci-fi, fantasy, advanced vocabulary, and creative storytelling. Step 8. Discuss the movie. After watching, discuss the movie with friends or in online language forums. Discussion questions. What was your favorite scene? What did you learn from the movie? Which new words or phrases did you notice? Joining platforms like Reddit, Quora, or Language Exchange. Communities can help improve writing and speaking skills. Common mistakes to avoid while learning English through movies. Avoid these mistakes. Number 1. Relying too much on subtitles. Gradually reduce subtitle use. Number 2. Choosing difficult movies too soon. Start with simple movies. Number 3. Not practicing. Speaking. Act out scenes and repeat dialogues. Number 4. Skipping. Repetition. Rewatching helps reinforce learning. Number 5. Ignoring cultural context. Try to understand cultural references. Additional resources to supplement movie-based learning. Use these resources. Language learning apps, Duolingo, Anki, flashcards, HelloTalk, Language Exchange. Websites for movie scripts, IMDb scripts, Simpliscript. YouTube channels for pronunciation, BBC, Learning English, Rackles, English. Final thoughts. Learning English through movies is an engaging, immersive, and effective method. By following the step-by-step approach in this guide, you can improve your listening, speaking, vocabulary, and pronunciation while enjoying great films. Key takeaways. Choose the right movie based on your level. Use subtitles wisely, gradually removing them. Take notes and practice pronunciation. Use the shadowing technique and act out scenes. Discuss movies with others to reinforce learning. With patience and consistency, you will see significant improvement in your English skills. So, grab some popcorn, pick a great movie, and start learning. Thanks for watching this video.